dog with everything? Coming right up.
Thanks.
Watch your step, steam vent.
Enjoy. Ketchup and mustard in the back.
Good night.
What's up, everybody? Just taking a slow walk to grab some lunch. Figured I'd bring you along for the ride. It's one of those crisp, sunny fall days in the city where the light just bounces off the buildings and makes everything look like a movie. Streets are busy but not crazy right now. People heading back from a late coffee, taxis jockeying.
This morning on Wall Street, the hum of traffic, the smell of roasted nuts from a cart down the block, and right in front of me the charging bull, muscles coiled like a spring, head lowered, ready to surge. It's more than bronze, it's a symbol of momentum, of risk and reward. You can feel the city moving around it.
Torch is glowing. Perfect timing. Amazing.
Feel, doesn't it?
Yeah, sunset in New York. Can't beat it.
Yeah, it's perfect. Got it. All right, your turn.
It looks like it's on fire.
Wait till we get a little closer. You're gonna see the skyline line up right behind her.
I can't believe we're finally here.
Yeah. Worth the trip, huh?